Alright, I'm going to show you how I make my favorite coffee smoothie. I saw this at Starbucks. They had a cacao drink and it got discontinued, but I decided I wanted to make my own. So we got the Blendtec Pro, or Blendtec. I'm going to turn it on. And first, I put half of an avocado. I just squeeze it in like that. Oh, crap. Alright, got that. I'm gonna open the banana. Snap that in half and like that. And we got the spinach. Just toss that in there like that. Okay. Use these Trader Joe's raw almond butter. I always mix it up so the oil mixes in. Take a good spoonful, just cram it in there, scrape it off my clean hand. Yeah, see that? You want that. You want it to taste like love. Rinse that real quick. Okay. Now I take my cacao powder, put a little spritz. Oh, nice, look at that. Oh my gosh, it's going to be so good. And finally, I've already pre-made our coffee in a French press. I chilled it. I don't like it hot because then the ice doesn't make it like a smoothie. Oh crap. Here we go. Here. Alright, pour it in. Don't pour it into your almond butter. And then get this out of the way. And lastly, shake your almond milk, pour it in there, just a nice little spritz like that. Gotta taste that coffee. And finally, ice. Like it nice and smoothie. I like when the ice cubes stick to my hand. I have a texture thing. That's pleasant. Put that in there. Slap it on there. Low. Turn it up for a little bit. Jump to high. Second. Last little bit. You hear a little bit of pieces going around. Perfect. Alright. This is about 2 servings. Nice, smooth. There's a little bit left, so I like to, you know how I love going, I used to go to Richie's Diner and I would order it with the metal tin, so I always like to have a little extra. That's good. Thanks for watching, subscribe, share, and we'll see you on the next video tomorrow. Bye.